Alright guys, for today's video I'm sharing with you guys this super small bathroom makeover. As you can see, this bathroom was super old, super funny. I literally left my grandpa alone for about 15 minutes and he actually gutted the whole bathroom himself, and he's 87 years old, so very impressive. He helped me out on getting everything out of here and kind of starting with like a fresh slate so we could go ahead and make it look a lot better, more current, up to date. We did things very affordably and most of the items are from Amazon. So firstly, I had my brother help me go ahead and hang up these very affordable, but these look so nice. These little pictures are gonna run you $10 and I feel like that's such a good price for them. They look very vintage, old school, and I love them. These really tied in the space. They're super small on the scale side, but that is perfect for this bathroom since it's so small. We also opted for these floating shelves. Here I just styled them with this little woven basket, as well as a faux little plant. And then lastly, this little rocking horse that you guys know is probably one of my all-time favorites from Amazon. Then of course I had to incorporate this shower curtain that has been in my Amazon cart for a few months now, so I'm so excited I was able to find a great space for it. One of my favorite upgrades in this bathroom makeover is definitely this new Uncle Brown smart toilet. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love incorporating features that make a home feel more luxurious, functional, and elevated, and this addition definitely checks all three of those boxes. The first thing I noticed was the sleek, modern design. Traditional toilets can sometimes feel bulky or dated, but this one has such a clean, streamlined look that instantly makes the space feel more high-end and spa-inspired. On the design, this toilet is packed with smart features. It includes a heated seat, adjustable bidet functions, automatic flushing, a warm air dryer, and even a built-in nightlight. These are the types of features you typically find in luxury hotels or spa-inspired bathrooms, so having them at home feels like a real upgrade to everyday living. One feature I specifically appreciate is the hands-free automatic flush. It's convenient, more hygienic, and just makes the entire experience feel more modern. The heated seat is another feature that you don't realize you'll love until you actually have one. But after actually using it for a while, the thing I appreciate most is how clean and low maintenance it makes everything feel. The lid opens automatically when you walk up, and it closes on its own when you leave, which sounds unnecessary until you realize how nice it is not to touch anything all the time. It actually has a sensor on the side, so if you just tap, it will actually lift the lid. You can tap again and it will put the lid down, and then if you tap again, you can actually close the seat. So I absolutely love that little sensor as well. And I genuinely didn't expect to care this much about the foam shield feature, but it really does help keep the bowl cleaner throughout the day and cuts down on how often I feel like I need to clean it. So it's super easy to add the foam shield. You just take the little back piece off. It comes with this amazing funnel. You can add in the foam shield right there to the back. And as you can see here, you really get to see that foam shield in action. And I just love this because it makes me feel like this toilet is staying extra clean, which I absolutely love. The bidet settings are also customizable, so you can adjust the temperature and pressure however you like. It just feels a lot more comfortable and personalized compared to a standard toilet setup. And I also like that the spray wand cleans itself automatically between uses because it makes the whole system feel a lot more hygienic overall. The heated seat, dryer, and little nightlight details are also just really nice touches that make the bathroom feel a little more luxurious day to day. This feature is so perfect for nighttime. I cannot express that enough. Everything can be customized, including the water temperature, water pressure, and other comfort settings. You can personalize your experience to your preference with this remote control. And as an interior designer, I always talk about investing in pieces that improve both the appearance and functionality of a space, and I think this is a great example. Not only does it look beautiful, but it's also something you can use every day. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Uncle Brown smart toilet and how seamlessly it fits into this bathroom makeover. It adds a touch of luxury, modern convenience, and a clean, sophisticated look that perfectly complements the design of this space. If you'd like to learn more about the toilet, I'll have all the information linked below in the description box for you guys to check out. Next up, I love adding these bath mats that are a little bit more non-traditional and they almost look like trendy rugs. I feel like that's a great way to spice up the bathroom on a budget. So far, I absolutely love the way that all of these little details are coming together. Another feature that I really love that we added to this bathroom is just this light up medicine cabinet. It actually has additional outlets in there. It has additional lighting in the inside when you open it, and I feel like this kind of complements the smart toilet really well as well to add some more smartness to this small space. I think that this is absolutely perfect in here, and it really brightened up the room. These soap dishes I have spoken about before. They have this really nice like ruffled ripple detailing to them. They also are available in so many different colors, and I feel like something as simple as this can really transform the bathroom and make it look a lot more high end. You could also add one of these in the kitchen as well. They're really perfect if you prefer bar soap. So I think that that's great, and it looks really good here on this little vanity with the remote. It's the easiest place we have to put it. As always, to protect the inside of this vanity, since it is brand new, I got one of these under the sink mats. It was a little bit larger. This is a super small vanity, so it was hard to find the exact size, but all I did was just add the slack towards the back. I also added in these really great clear organizers, because since this is a bathroom that is a lot smaller, you definitely can use all the extra storage you can get. This vanity also is super small. It's only 24 inches, but it's seriously super affordable, and it is really high quality for the price. I would highly recommend checking it out. So this is kind of how everything tied together. I wanted to share this small bathroom makeover for you guys today, just to share with you guys, if you don't have a ton of space, that doesn't really matter. You can make any space feel more elevated and luxurious, especially with this Uncle Brown toilet. I seriously love this thing, but I feel like everything in this bathroom just tied together so well. We obviously went for a little bit of a Western theme, but it ties so well with like the modern elements like the toilet and the medicine cabinet. I feel like these little vintage inspired pictures are perfect, and I love all of the little decor and how you can also use some of the decor pieces like that little basket. You can incorporate it as a storage element. That's another great way to really maximize the space in a small restroom like this. As I mentioned, I will have the links to everything in the description box down below, because most of these items can be found on Amazon and they are very affordable. So it also shows that you don't have to spend a ton of money on a makeover to make a large impact. These are really affordable options that you can easily incorporate into your space. Small spaces like this in the home can still make a big impact and be transformed relatively affordably. If you guys would like to see more small space makeovers like this or more rental friendly content on this channel, let me know in the comments down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and a huge thank you to Uncle Brown for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!